Hello everyone, welcome back to our sessions. In this video, we are going to discuss about unit digit of any given value. Okay, here we are going to discuss about unit digit of any expression or any powers. Okay, what is mean by unit digit? Okay, and I hope you all know that. Suppose if I will take any number, let us consider here 2 power 5. Okay, what's the value of 2 power 5? It is 32. Okay, what is unit digit of 2 power 5? 32 means here unit digit is 2. Okay, unit digit is nothing but after calculating of this expression, whatever it may be, the last digit is nothing but unit digit. Okay, but in exams they will ask you different set of questions. Here it is 2 power 5. It will be very easy for us to calculate what will be the unit digit. Okay, what if they will give you 3 digit number or 4 digit number? Okay, it is also very easy to calculate unit digit of a numbers. Let me take you one small example here. 264310 power 1026. If you observe this value, actually here in the base 4 digit numbers we have, and in the power we have 4 digit numbers as well. And if you ask me what will be the unit digit of this number, if I will calculate this entire number, okay, no need to calculate. Okay, that no, we don't want actually that entire number. Here what will be the unit digit of this particular number means whatever it may be value we will get, what will be the last number. Okay, that's what exactly the unit digit. So here I can say that it is 9. Okay, now let me take one more example here. 48967. Okay, 13462 8. Okay, what will be the unit digit here means, of course I can say that it is 1. Okay, so it is very simple and hardly it will take just 1 second or 2 seconds to calculate unit digit of any numbers. Okay, again, actually this is very challenging questions and you can save a lot of time in exams. If they will ask you to find unit digit of any number, it is matter of 2 seconds time to calculate unit digit of any given value. Either it may be 2 digit number or 3 digit number or 4 digit or digits. Okay, whatever it may be the values given here. Okay, we can calculate unit digit within 2 seconds or 3 seconds maximum. Okay, I will teach you in this video how to calculate unit digit of any given value. Okay, before that let me tell you the concept here. Okay, there is no much concept actually. Okay, first let me make you understand about the values. Okay, any number if you will take, for sure that number should ends with either 0 or 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Total we have 10 numbers. If you will take, okay, for sure, whatever you are calculating, that numbers should end with either any of these numbers. Total we have 10 possibilities. Okay, now I will tell you first one. Okay, first we'll consider 0, 1, 5, 6. Okay, any number, remember this, any number ends with either 0 or 1 or 5 or 6. Okay, let me take one small example here. 6780 to the power of 18926. Okay, now if we need to calculate what will be the unit digit of this number, here just check with the base. What is base ends with 0? If any number ends with 0 to the power of any value, no need to bother about power. Okay, for sure that value ends with 0, no doubt at all. Okay, similarly here, if any number ends with 1, okay, if any number ends with 1. Okay, let me take one small example. 87321 to the power of 10268. Okay, here I'm just taking random values. Okay, it's complete to your wish. Even you can challenge to your friends. You can ask your friends to give some numbers randomly. Okay, you can get what will be the unit digit of those given numbers within 2 seconds. Okay, now here any number ends with 1 to the power of any value. Okay, always that will ends with 1. Okay, remember that 1, any number ends with either 0 or 1. Okay, to the power of any value, no need to bother about it, no need to check the power, just check the base value. If that is ending with either 0 or 1, okay, unit digit will be the same number itself, and even that will satisfy for 5 or 6. Okay, let me give you one small example with 5. 3265 to the power of 1234. Okay, now here the number ending with 5, okay, to the power of any value, either it may be 1 2 3 4 or 5 6 7 8, whatever it is, for sure this number ends with 5. Okay, any number ending with 5 to the power of any value always ends with 5. Okay, because here if you observe, okay, I will just give you one small example. What is 5 power 5? 5 power 1 is 5. 5 square is 25. What is 5 cube? 125. Correct. What is 5 power 4? 625. Okay. What is 5 power 5? Here 3125, and so on. If you keep on calculating 5 to the power of any value, 5 to the power of any value here always ends with 5. This is what the simple logic. That's it. Okay. Now, if you will take any value with 6 as well. Okay. Let me take here 8 2 6 to the power of 8 1 3 4. Okay. Now here the number ending with 6 to the power of any value always gives unit digit as 6 only. Okay, always gives unit digit as 6. So we can call these numbers as like lucky numbers or easiest numbers to remember. Why? Because if any number which is ends with 0 1 5 6 to the power of any value will ends with the same number. Okay, will ends with the same number. So no doubt at all, here the numbers ends with either 0 or 1 or 5 or 6. Okay, unit digit as same number, remember. Okay, whatever it may be the value, if you want you can cross check with the other values. Okay, so this is the values here. 0 is completed, 1 is completed, 5 is completed, and 6 also completed. Okay, now we'll check with remaining numbers. What if the number ends with other numbers to the power of other values? Okay, how we will get answer? Very simple. Now, second rule. In the first one, 4 numbers completed. Now in the second part, let me take the values 4 and 9. Okay, 4 and 9. Even if any number ends with, see, if any number ends with 0 1 5 6, hardly how much time it will take to identify unit digit? Hardly it will take 1 second. Okay, just we need to concentrate on last digit. If last digit is either 0 1 or 5 or 6, okay, unit digit will be the same number. Okay, now similarly, if you see any number ends with 4 and 9, okay, either 4 or 9. Okay, now what will be the unit digit? Okay, let me give you one simple pattern. Let us consider what is 4 power 1? 4. What is 4 square ends with? What is unit digit of 4 square? 4 square is actually 16, ends with 6, correct? Next, 4 cube, 64, means ends with 4. 4 power 4. What is 4 power 4 ends with? Again, it will ends with 6. Now, what did you observe from this pattern? Now, 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6, and so on. If you will calculate 4 power 5, that ends with 4 again. Now, 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6, and so on, it is getting repeated. Now, what we can understand is 4 to the power of 4 to the power of odd number. 4 to the power of odd number always ends with 4. Either odd number means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. Okay, now if you observe 4 power 1, okay, here power is odd, right? So answer ends with 4. Now 4 cube. 4 cube means here power is odd. So answer ends with 4. Okay, next 4 power 5 as well. Now I will ask you one simple question. Okay, can you tell me what will be the unit digit of 4 power, okay, 301? Okay, what is 4 power 301? For sure it will ends with 4. Okay, because here power is 301, means odd number. Now similarly, 4 to the power of even number. What is 4 to the power of even number ends with 6? Okay, that's it. Okay, hardly here, okay, you can answer the question which will ends with 4 within single second. That's it. Okay, what we need to do, just concentrate whether here the number is ends with 4 or not. If the number ends with 4, check power. If power is odd, the answer is 4. If power is even, answer is 6. Okay, it is as simple as it is. Okay, now if any number ends with 9, okay, let me give you one or two examples with 4. Okay, let's consider here 3624 to the power of 1083. Okay, can you tell me what will be the number ends with here? Result ends with here, last number is 4. What's the power here? Even or odd? Odd number means 4. Okay, similarly, let us consider 124 to the power of 6086. Here answer is 6 because number ends with 4 but power is even number. Okay, so here you can take 1 second to identify. Just immediately we can identify after seeing the power whether it is even or odd. Okay, if it is even, ends with 6. If it is odd, ends with 4. That's it. This is the rule for 4. Any number ends with 4. Now the similar pattern we are going to follow for 9 as well. Okay, now the similar pattern. Okay, now what is the 9 power 1? 9. What is 9 square? 81 means ends with 1. 9 cube again it will ends with 9. 9 power 4 again it will ends with 1. Okay, 9 power 5 again it will ends with 9. Now what did you observe here? After two numbers means every time when we are calculating powers with 9, okay, 9191 is getting repeated. Similarly, 9 to the power of odd number, if any number ends with 9, to the power of odd number will leaves last digit as 9, and 9 to the power of even number will leaves, of course it is 1. That's it. Okay, this is what the rule for 9. Now I will ask you some questions. Just try to calculate, pause the video and try to calculate the values. Okay, 4289 divided by, okay, 46282. Okay, can you tell me what will be the unit digit of this? Here if any number ends with 9, okay, check power. If power is even, it will ends with 1, so answer is 1. Okay, next here 189 to the power of 1023. What will be the unit digit here? Here ends with 9 to the power of odd, so answer is 9. That's it. Okay, this is rule for 9. Okay, see, if you observe, we are done with 0 1 5 6. Okay, 0 1 5 6, it will take just only 1 second. If the number is either 0 1 5 6, last number will be the same number. Okay, if the number is either 4 or 9, we need to check whether power is even or odd. That's it. Based on that, we are going to decide what will be the unit digit. Now we are done with 4 and we are done with 9. Only values left out is 2379. For these four numbers, it is also simple, but it will take just 2 or 3 more seconds extra when compared to previous. That's it. Okay, here it will take just like 5 seconds to calculate any numbers. Okay, process is also simple. I will tell you for 2, 2, 3, 7 and 8. Okay, for these four numbers, process is same. Again, I repeat, for these four numbers, if you know how to calculate for 2, okay, process is as it is same for 3, 7, 8. Okay, so remember carefully here, if any number ends with 2, let me teach you with 2. If let us consider the pattern here, 2 power 1 is 2. What is 2 square? 2 square is 4. What is 2 cube? 2 cube is 8. 2 power 4 is 16. So I'm writing just 6. Why? Because we are concentrating only on unit digit. So what is 2 power 5? 2 power 5 is 32. So answer ends with 2. 2 power 6, 64. Again, it will ends with 4. Now, what did you observe? Again, if you want, if you can calculate 2 power 7 ends with 8. Okay. Now, after how many numbers pattern is repeating? After 4 numbers. After 4 numbers, pattern is getting repeated. Now, I will tell you if any number ends with 2, just in 2 steps. Okay, just in 2 steps. I will take one or two examples here. Okay, let me take example. Okay, 6 3 7 8 2 to the power of, let's consider here 1 8 3 8 6. Okay, just I'm taking random values. Okay, now here the number ending with 2, we need to consider power. Okay, we have taken power. Now we are checking what will be the unit digit in this case. Okay, now I will tell you one more question here. Okay, two questions I will explain, no need to worry about it. Okay, let me take here 87642 to the power of 1328. Okay, let us consider. Okay, two values. Okay, these two questions I will explain. Okay, remaining you can try to solve it by your own, by taking your own values. It's completely your wish. Okay, now here the number ends with 2. You need to remember two steps. Okay, only two steps. What is the first step? Means take power. Okay, we need to divide power by 4. Okay, here actually when you are dividing power by 4, okay, we need to understand whether that number is divisible by 4 or not. Here we need to apply divisibility rule of 4. What is divisibility rule of 4? Whatever it may be power, just consider only last two numbers in the power. Okay, just last two numbers in the power. Okay, so write last two numbers in the power divided by 4. Okay, why we are dividing by 4 means, the reason behind this is after 4 number cycle is getting repeated, right? That's the reason we are dividing by 4. Now you need to check what will be the remainder. That's it. This is the first step. Take two numbers, last two numbers from the power, divide by 4, calculate remainder. Okay, now 4 how many times? 4 2 times is 8, 4 1 time is 4, and actually it is 6, so remainder is 2. Can I say that it is 2? Now this is the first step. First step completed. Based on this reminder, we are going to set which value will be the unit digit, final answer. If reminder is 2, second number, what is second number in the cycle? 4. Okay, reminder is 2 means second number in the cycle is 4, so answer will be 4. Okay, and I hope you all are clear with this. This is how we can calculate. Only two steps. Again, I repeat, take power last two digits. Don't consider entire power. Okay, even if you will calculate entire power also, you will get the same answer. Okay, divisibility rule of 4, what it will say? Check only last two digits. Okay, so answer is 4 based on the reminder. If reminder is 2, second number in the cycle. Now, what is cyclicity of 2 means? You need to remember this. Okay, no need to by heart, just try to understand. Okay, how it will ends. Okay, in case if reminder is 3, okay, what will be the reminder is 3? Third number in the cycle. What is third number in the cycle? 8. In case if reminder is 1, in case if reminder is 1, first number in the cycle. Okay, in case if reminder is 4, okay, you will not get reminder 4, because if you understand the logic, we are dividing by 4, right? Okay, if you will get reminder 4, again that 4 will get divided exactly, so you will get reminder 0. If reminder is 0, last number in the cycle, remember, either if you will get reminder 4 or reminder 0, last number in the cycle will be your answer. Okay, now can you tell me answer for the second question? Number ends with 2. Here power is 28. Take only last two numbers in the power. 28 divided by 4. What will be the remainder? Remainder is 0. So last number is 6. So answer is 6. That's it. Okay. Now finally, I will ask you one question. Okay. Let's consider 7, 2, 4, 8, 2. Okay. Divided by 21075. Okay, let's consider this. Can you tell me, can you try to tell answer for this question? 72482. Here the number ends with 2. What you need to do? Take power last two digits. 75. 75 divided by 4. Okay, here 4 1 times is 70. 4 1 times is 7. Sorry, 4 1 times is 4. And remainder is 3. 35. 4 8 times is 32. So remainder is 3. Here remainder is 3. Remainder is 3 means third number in the cycle. What is third number in the cycle? 8. So answer is 8. That's it. Okay, and I hope you all are clear. Why I have taken many examples for this means, based on this simple logic, we are going to find even if the number ends with 3, 7, 8. Okay, so the process is very similar. Okay, now if you want, you can check with 3. I'm going to write with 3. 3 power 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. 3 cube is 27. So ends with 7. 3 power 4 is 81. Ends with 1. 3 power 5. Again, it will ends with 3. 3 power 6. It will ends with 9. So no need to bother about these numbers. Why? Because if you will check again, the cyclicity will repeat after 4 numbers. If you want, you can check with 7 as well. 7 power 1, 7. 7 square 49 ends with 9. 7 cube. And remember this, if you don't know the value for 7 cube or 7 power 4, no need to check with calculators. Very simple. Here 7 power 1 is 7, right? Okay, now 7 square is 49, ends with 9. 7 cube, in case if I don't know the value of 7 cube, what is the previous unit digit? 9, right? 9 multiply with 7. What is 7 9 times? 63, ends with 3. Okay, even 7 cube also ends with 3. If you want, you can check. And 7 power 4, let us assume that 7 power 4, I don't know the value of 7 power 4, so no need to bother about it. What is the previous unit digit? 3. Multiply with 7. What is 7 3 times? 21, ends with 1. So here 7 power 4 also ends with 1. If you want, you can check it. Okay, and 7 power 5. 7 power 5, no need to bother about the value. Previous unit digit is 1, multiplied with 7. What is 1 7 times? 7. So unit digit will be 7. If you want, check with 7 power 5 is 7. Okay, now similarly, if you get again 7, now cycle will repeated. Now 7 9 3 1. After how many number cycle is repeating? After 4 number cycle is repeating. Now similarly for 8. 8 1 times is 8. 8 square is 64 4. 8 cube is 8 4 times is 32, ends with 2. Okay, 8 power 4. 8 2 times. So 8 2 times is 16, ends with 6. 8 power 5. Okay, 8 6 times is 48, ends with 8. So this will be the process here. After 4 numbers again, if you will see again 8 means it is repeating. Okay, if you want, if you will write 8 power 6, it will ends with 4. That is for sure. Why? Because 8 8 times is 64, ends with 4. Okay, now after 4 number cycle is repeating. Now I will give you some questions based on this. Okay, based on ending with 3, 7 and 8. Okay, let's consider here. I will give you 5 questions. Try to find it out. It will be very simple. Let's consider 8263 divided by 1076. Okay, next let me write 4327 to the power of 1829. Okay, next here 3627 to the power of 5326. Okay, next here 5263 to the power of 1862. Okay, next we'll go with 8, ending with 8. Okay, 628 to the power of 9268. Okay, so now we'll check with these values. Okay, how fast we can do it is very simple. Okay, now what you need to do, 76. Okay, so 76 we need to consider 76 divided by 4. Okay, what is 76 divided by 4? Okay, so here 7, when you divide 76 by 4, what will be the remainder? Based on this remainder only, we are going to find what will be the unit digit, right? Okay, 4 times. Sorry, 4 1 times is 4, 36. 4 9 times is 36. Remainder is 0. If remainder is 0, what will be the unit digit? Last number in the cycle. What is the last number? Here 1. So answer is 1. Now I am not going to directly check with, not going to write our calculations of this divisible rule of 4. Directly we can check here 29. Okay, can you tell what will be the remainder if I will divide 29 by 4? Yes, what will be the answer? 29 divided by 4. Remainder is? Yes. Okay, 29 by 4. 7 4 times. Okay, so 7 4 times is 28. So one remainder will be 1. If remainder is 1, so answer will be 7. Okay, so answer will be 7. Now similarly, if I will divide 26 by 4, what is 26 by 4 remainder? Remainder I will get it as 2. Don't consider 2 is your answer. Okay, remainder is 2. If remainder is 2, second number in the cycle of 7. What is second number in the cycle of 7? 9. Okay, similarly 62. 62 divided by 4. Remainder is 2. Here I am getting remainder is 2. What is second number in the series of 3? 9. Okay, here also it is 9. Okay, next, if the number ends with 8, okay, 68. 68 divided by 4. Okay, 4 1 times and 4 7 times. So remainder is 0. If remainder is 0, what is the last number in the cycle of 8? 6. So answer is 6. That's it. Okay, so this is how we can answer all these questions from finding unit digit of any given value. Okay, any given value, you can take any value by your own. Okay, that will either, if it is ends with 0 1 2 3 and so on up to 9, you can answer within 2 seconds. Okay, but only just remember, if any number ends with 2 3 7 8, okay, only thing you just need to check with the power is divisible by 4, what will be the remainder? Based on that remainder, we need to decide which value will be the unit digit in the cycle. Okay, so and I hope you all are clear with this. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed the session. Please do subscribe for more videos. Thank you everyone.